everyone. My name is Utshuk and my subject is science. I want to make an circuit. We will learn how to make a circuit. So the material is a piece of thermocol, a safety pin, two wires and two pages, and a mini bulb and a high power battery and two thin wires. Now let's start. First we have to joint it the red wire into red wire. Then now we will join that. Now we can see our circuit is complete. So let's do it. You can see that our circuit is glowing. So thank you. Thank you.
Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Myself, Tanuska Yadav, I am studying in class 7. My school name is Euro Academy. Today I want to teach you about forms of water. I also made a one model of water cycle which help you to understand properly. So this is my model of water cycle. So let's start our class. Are you afraid that continuous use will someday exhaust all the water available for use? Have you know that water on the earth has been maintained for millions of years by the various processes which make the water cycle? When the water circulates through the water cycle, it can be found in all the three forms: solid, liquid, and gas. The solid form, snow and ice, is present as ice caps at the pole of the earth, snow-covered mountains and glaciers. The liquid water is present as river, rain, oceans, lakes, and even underground. The gas is present as water vapor. Gas is present as water vapor in the air around us. The continuous cycling of water cycle is keep the total amount of water constant even when the whole world is using it. I hope you all understand about the forms of water and why the water is constant. So thank you and happy learning. Bye.
Hello everyone, myself Shivanshi Jadhav from grade 7, Euro Academy. Today I am going to teach you a concept on water. My concept is treatment of wastewater. In this we are going to study about the work of WWTP or wastewater treatment plant to clean the wastewater. The wastewater undergoes mainly from these three steps. The first step is physical treatment. In this, the vast streams, grid tank and settling tanks are there. And the second step is biological treatment. In this step, there comes an aeration tank. Then comes the third step, that is chemical treatment. In this, there comes the chemical treatment tank. Now, let us understand this by a diagram. First, there comes a pass stream. A pass stream is like a mechanical filter which cleans the visible impurities. The impurities removed in this tank are rags, cans and water bottles. Then comes the grid tank. In this tank, the speed of water is slowed down and the impurities are let to be settled down. These impurities are later removed. The impurities removed in this tank are sand, grit and pebbles. Then comes the settling tank. This tank is sloped towards the middle. In this, the heavier materials settle down and forms the sludge. This sludge is removed by a scraper. The lighter materials float on the top and are removed by a skimmer. The water is now called clarified water. Then it moves to the aeration tank. In this, air is pumped into the clarified water and the aerobic bacteria grows and decompose the materials. The impurities removed in this are human waste, food waste and soap. Then comes the last tank, which is the chemical treatment tank. In this, the water is treated chemically by adding chemicals like ozone and chlorine. The impurities removed are harmful microorganisms. Thank you. I hope you like my teaching skills. Bye. Have a nice day.
Hi guys, this is Purnima Singh from Euro Academy Sirsaganj, Firozabad, grade 6. Today I want to teach you something about source of history. Source of history refers to all those things that give us information about the past. There are various such source which falls under two broad categories. First one is literary source and second one is archaeological source. Literary source, written source of information about the past. Example, books, manuscript, inscription, etc. An archaeological source, object or material, evidence for the past. Example, monuments, bones, coins, pots and pans, tools and weapons, etc. Thank you and have a nice day.